Good morning. So, going to the park this morning. Should be a beautiful day. Pretty cold out. 7:17 in the morning. Fogged up. Run is done. And now it's time for coffee.
Grab his ass.
Where is it?
Right here.
Whoa!
There he is. You wanted to see him, Bruce. Come here. Oh,
Is he okay? Give me a welding glove. Hold that. I'll grab him with these. All right, buddy.
That's how tired he is. He sat there the whole time.
Not going to hurt you. I know.
Good job.
I know. I know. I know. You're all right. Just let go. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Go.
He's like, look at this.
You're all right.
Make sure he's outside the free.
You're all right.